Assalamu alaikum dear friend, welcome to JH Bukhari, and here we are going to learn how to write script from free AI tools. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to click on your Chrome as you can see in this video. After opening Chrome, you have to search Toolify, toolify.ai. First, you have to sign up on Toolify. After that, a dashboard come out in your and you can see the dashboard. Here you have to click on free tools. Here you can see free tools. Just click on this and you can see the search box below where you have to write content writing. This website provides you a lot of free AI tools for your video editing, for your content writing, for your AI videos, for your animated videos. And the good thing is that these tools are totally free. Here you can see the video. I am clicking on writing and editing. By writing and editing, a dashboard appears in front of you as you can see. Here the first website is quick bold. I simply press on arrow button and simply I was sign up in this website and also downloaded this extension. You simply have to download the extension in your Chrome browser and here you have to write a prompt. Here I am writing a roughly prompt as you can see in this video. You have to write simply in your own words, and by clicking new tab you can see your extensions as I am showing in this video. You simply enable your extension, your tool, and go back to your application. And here I am start writing my prompt. As you can see in this video, simply you have to write your own topic, your own wording. Now simply click on Ask AI and you can see the results. Here you can see our prompt, our script. First of all, I recommended that you have to learn it thoroughly and change your wording and rewrite a paragraph according to your new script, because AI gives us information which are already in used, so you have to create your own script. These tools helps you creating a genuine script for your YouTube channels, for your videos. Here I am going to show you an other AI tool which is Grammarly. Simply click on arrow button, click on site and simply sign up. It's free and you have to log in from your Google account. Continue with Google. After that, press on agree and sign up. And you can see the interference of Grammarly. Welcome. And you have to choose other projects and click on next button. What kind of writing do you want to most? Click on no thanks. Get Grammarly for window Chrome or get Grammarly for window only. You have to choose one of them. I am choosing from Chrome. So the extension is going to be installed. As you can see in arrow button, start the download. Restart the download. Now click on Grammarly extension. Here you can see your extension. After completion of this process, you can generate your scripts, you can rewrite your paragraphs, you can rewrite your content writing scripts by writing and editing feature of Toolify. Here you can see a lot of AI tools which are totally free. You can choose any of them. These are not paid. You can also choose education and transmissions, video animation tools, and you can see the dashboard. Thank